In this tutorial video, I will be showing you how to browse for specific products. The first thing you want to do is click on the products page. There is a wide variety of options you can search for from all the search filters. Let's say I want to search for face mask. This will search for the word face mask in either the description or the name of the product. As you can see, there are 1,339 products that relate to the word face mask. Let's say I want to search for face mask in medical use. Click on category. Click on medical category. Now as you see, there are only 25 products that relate to the word face mask and are for medical usage. Let's say I want to search face mask in sports. And it will show you all the sport items that have the word face mask. You can search for products that have free shipping. Click on the price filter, set the maximum and minimum price to 0. This will show you all products with free shipping cost. And to get more information on a product, click on detail, and as you see, it says here, $0 shipping. You can also browse products that ship from the United States. Now it is displaying all items that have free shipping and that are shipped from the United States. Now if you want to get rid of the free shipping filter, click on this X button, and it will not take that filter into account. It will only display products shipped from the United States. And you can see how many products pop up over here. Here is another example. This will display products shipped from China. Let's say that I want to search for a certain supplier that ships from the United States, and it will show you all products from that supplier that ships from the United States. You can also use the search filters at the top, and combine that with the search filters over here. Let's say I want to search for products with high profits. Now, it will display products with a profit range of $60 to $100, but you can change that. Let's say I want to search for products with a $100 to $200 profit range. And it will display the information. This is the cost the member will be paying. This is the average selling cost of the product. And this is an estimate of how much profit you would make. However, this profit does not take into account the listing fees and PayPal fees. It is just a rough estimate. You can add or remove products from your list with these buttons. Now, let's say I want to search for a product that has free shipping to $10 shipping. It will show you all the products that have less than $10 shipping. Let's say I want to search for low shipping products. This will show you products from $0 to $5 shipping, and you can change that filter yourself. Let's say I want to search for a maximum of $10 shipping. As you see, the shipping cost is highlighted in green, and it shows all products that have free shipping to $10 shipping cost. You can click on the recently sold filter. This will show you 100 products that have been recently sold. This updates every day. You can also click on the recently added filter. These are new products. You can search for recently added products from a certain supplier. Now, you can combine the keyword filter, the price filter, shipping location filter, supplier filter, and the category filter with any one of the filters at the top. To check what filter you're on, it will be highlighted blue. In my case, I am currently using the recently added filter. If you want to search for a product that provides multiple images, you can click here. It will show you all products that provide multiple images. You can also browse products from the Supplier page. Click on Supplier. Most of our products come from the United States, and some from China. Let's say I want to search for face mask. And as you see, it will show you how many products relate to the word face mask for each supplier. Out of 14,900 products for this supplier, 8 are related to the word face mask. If you want to see the products that relate to the search result, you can click on the button highlighted orange. If you want to find further information on a supplier, click on Details. It will give you a description of the supplier. It will also show you a cancellation ratio. This ratio means that 20% of people cancel their orders. This may be because of out-of-stock items, or just canceled orders. You can search for suppliers that provide UPC codes. It will show you all suppliers that provide UPC codes. You can do the same for map prices. You can search for suppliers allowed on Amazon. You can do the same for Shopify. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video for future tutorial videos.